I'd also like to call upon the head of student affairs, Ranganath sir, to come to the dais and take his seat.
What are the video? What photos, sir? No, take properly.
My name is Moksha from class 9. Delighted to be your host for today. And beside me is the ever energetic Tajaksha from class 9. Today is a special day as we celebrate National Mathematics Day.
Absolutely, Moksha.
Go a little back.
Absolutely, Moksha. December 22nd is not just any other ordinary day. It is the day that we celebrate the mathematical genius Srinivasa Ramanujan, who has proved to be a legend in the field of mathematics. He was born on this very day in 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu. And Ramanujan's story is nothing short of inspiring.
Let's start our event by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. This is a symbolic moment that signifies the dispelling of darkness and igniting of thought and enlightenment. It's our honor to invite Chiranjeevi sir, Ranganath sir, and the maths department on stage to kindle the lamp.
What you are not? What you are taking? He is not taking actually any phases.
What are you taking? Your paper.
Put it straight.
Hey, take that. Take it off.
Put it straight.
incredible expression of faith and a humble gesture of surrender towards the divine. Before we commence our activities, it is time to connect our spirits with the higher power, to seek blessings, guidance, and wisdom. Now, I would like to call upon the choir group
This
to lead us with
hold
a
it in
prayer.
hand and do it, okay?
So I think more comfortable.
You're not taking anything properly.
Sir, I took it. I'm
Take it
taking
off.
this. Yes.
లైవ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసావా లైవ్
Everyone join your arms and close your eyes.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments. Why narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depths of truth? Where God is striving, stretches its arms towards perfection. When the clear streams of reasons has not lost its way into the dreary deserts, stands off and habits, where the mind is led forward by me into ever-binding thought and action. Into the heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country away. Into the heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country away.
Thank you, choir.
Mathematics is a language that helps us describe the universe. From patterns in a snowflake to orbits of planets. It's a tool that aids us in solving problems, making informed decisions, and understanding the world better. Let's express our gratitude for the gift of mathematical understanding and seek divine guidance as we explore this fascinating subject further. Adhya, we invite you to lead us in the prayer.
Everybody join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me. We thank you 100-fold for all the love and care that you have given to us. May we return your good works in direct proportion, reciprocating it with love and care, adding the infinite love and faith, subtracting the negatives, adding the multiplying the positives, and dividing the talents given by you. Choose the betterment of others so that we can integrate the spirit of life and complete the full circle as one family. Thank you.
Thank you, Adhya.
Math, in its essence, is not just about numbers or equations, but it's a universal language that helps us understand the world around us. Before we delve into the fascinating world of mathematics, let us stand together to make a pledge. A pledge to appreciate the beauty of mathematics, to strive for excellence in the subject, and to apply mathematical principles in our day-to-day lives. I would like to invite Ketan to lead us for the math pledge.
Good morning, everyone. Raise your right hand and repeat after me.
Be blessed to stop saying,
I'm not good at maths and will approach maths with growth mindset. And with maths, we can do anything. So we commit the following. We will celebrate our mistakes as opportunities to learn and grow. We will be confident and share our thinking. We will be perseverant through difficult practices. Thank you.
thank you, Ketan.
A stage symbolizes the expression of emotions, ideas, and values. To guide us to the lovely realm of mathematics, we have Kavita for this week.
Math gives us hope that every problem has a solution, isn't it? Look, if you observe math, every question, every problem has its own answer and solution. Similarly, whenever you face difficulties or problems in your life, just think about mathematics, because it says that there is a solution for your problems. A heartless good morning to one of our present here. I am Kavita Chaudhary, class 10B. Today, we all are gathered here to celebrate the National Mathematics Day. I would request you all to calmly listen to what I am telling, because I am going to introduce you all to some interesting facts about mathematics that you will definitely enjoy. Srinivasa Ramanujan, an Indian mathematician who completely changed the future of math. Our former Prime Minister, Shri Manmohan Singh Ji, declared 22nd December as National Mathematics Day to commemorate the contributions made by Srinivasa Ramanujan to the field of math. Ramanujan did not have any formal education in mathematics. Rather, he was gifted math by birth. He could solve the toughest questions in just few minutes. And he had mastered topics like trigonometry and had developed many formulas and theorems just by the age of 12. But he also had faced many difficulties and had overcome them, which gives us an inspiration. And later he became one of the most successful mathematicians of his era. Mathematics is such a subject that for the people who understand it, it becomes very easy and the most interesting one. They enjoy while doing it and they keep on doing math. Whereas on the other hand, it just goes up from the top of their head for some people. It just feels very frustrating and tiring sometimes. But trust me, when you start practicing it and when you start getting the proper solutions for the questions, you will start enjoying it too. And if mathematics goes up from the top of your head too, then please drag it back and put it in your head, because we all are just incomplete about mathematics. Mathematics is everywhere around us. We are surrounded by math. Let me explain it to you with an example. How many times a day do you do your watches? Of course, a lot of times. Can you short or buy anything without mathematics? Obviously no. Because you need maths to count the rows. So my final conclusion is that mathematics is a universal language that we all should definitely know. And on a final note, I would like to pay my tribute to the master mathematician, Srinivasa Ramanujan, who has contributed a lot to the field of mathematics and has given education to all of us. And finally, I would like to tell you all that keep learning mathematics. And the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Thank you.
Thank you, Kavita, for that inspiring speech. The beauty of mathematics is truly reflected in your words. As we continue with our Mathematics Day, let's carry the spirit of this speech in our hearts. Let's explore, learn, and appreciate the world of mathematics together.
In order to transport us back in time and bring us closer to the mathematician whose work has influenced our day-to-day lives, our little Dipsite has dressed up as a few of the most well-known Indian mathematicians. So now, why don't we invite the little Dipsite with a big round of applause on the dais? Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was a prominent mathematician and astronomer who was born in 476 CE in Kusumapura. In the field of mathematics, Aryabhatta is credited with the invention of zero and the concept of placeband. She calculated the closest approximate value of pi and has made significant contributions to the fields of trigonometry and algebra, and also astronomy. India named its first satellite after him in 1975.
Baudhayana is said to be the original mathematician behind the Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem was indeed known much before Pythagoras, and it was the Indians who discovered it at least 1,000 years before Pythagoras was even born. The credit for authoring the earliest Sulbha Sutra goes to him.
Sridhara, also known as Sridharacharya, was a mathematician, Sanskrit pundit, and philosopher from the Bengal region of ancient India. He is known for two main treatises, Pratiganita Sara and Pratiganita. Pratiganita Sara discusses counting of numbers, natural numbers, zero, measures, multiplication, fraction, division, squares, cubes, rules of three, interest calculation, joint business or partnership, and mensuration.
Shake it a lot, sir.
Bhaskaracharya, also known as Bhaskaratu, was a renowned mathematician and astronomer of the 12th century. Lavati, Vijayanita, Siddhanta Siromani was an abhyasa of Pritakshara, Karana Kutuhala, and Vivarna. Bhaskara's work in algebra, arithmetic, geometry catapulted him to fame and immortality. His renowned mathematical works are considered to be unparalleled and a memorial to his profound intelligence.
Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was an Indian mathematician who made substantial contributions to the mathematical analysis, number theory, and finite theories, and in fraction. He was largely self-taught, and his work considerably enriched number theory. The theta function lies at the heart of the string theory. Ramanujan was born in Erode, India, and he had almost no formal training in mathematics. Ramanujan's work included groundbreaking new theory. During his short life, Ramanujan independently compiled nearly 3,900 results, which were mostly identities and equations.
Shakuntala Devi, popularly known as the human computer, was an Indian mental calculator and writer. She was born in Bangalore, Karnataka. Despite having no formal education, she demonstrated her arithmetic abilities at various universities at a very young age. Devi's astounding ability to mentally calculate equations involving large numbers earned it in the 1982 edition of the Guinness Book of World Records. Her work aims to make math more accessible and enjoyable to people of all ages.
Now, let us offer the Dipsai a hearty round of applause for their beautiful attire.
Where is that stick?
Sir told me to take it off. Sir.
Hey?
It's shaking. Sir.
నా లైవ్ వెళ్తుందా
వెళ్తుంది సార్ అది ఎక్కువసేపు పట్టుకోలేడు వాడు అందుకే షేక్ అయిపోతుంది అక్కడ హ్యాండ్ పట్టుకుంటేనే బాగా
ఇది పట్టుకోలేడేమో అది ఇచ్చే
ఇది పట్టుకోవచ్చు ఇదే పట్టుకోవచ్చు అది ఇది చెయ్యల్లా వణికేస్తుంది.
A drama is the mirror of reality, which we meet every day in our lives. It's also the inspiration for someone to innovate, to help us dive into the world of imagination and creativity. I would like to call our group to show that talent is something us protected, which gives us a life.
I can't do it, but that's why I'm rotating it. If I hold it still, that is actually comfortable, for movements, for stable and shaking.
Moms will take over for some time. Moms will take
No,
over.
I can. Hamza, shall I capture them?
I don't think they
No.
నెక్స్ట్ క్విజ్ క్లియర్గా రావాలి నాకు.
Okay.
I just told
I told you this students. I didn't see it.
ఇక్కడ నుంచి తీసుకో. Don't touch.
Wait, backs రావాలి.
Sir? For moving shots, I use the tripods.
Where you?
No skit certain. So please don't get angry, sir. I will use. Okay.
You only telling that this is very shaking. Then
Stable things.
where will put?
No. It's shaking if I hold it like this. But in movement, it is okay.
Like from where will
In
help?
the heart of the
You
countryside,
can't move,
there
do it.
situated a small
I can
village.
do it, sir. But
In
if
that
it
village,
falls
there was
again-
a farmer who was very kind and hardworking. He had his own small land to farm and was happy with his life as he could send his son to school with his money which he earned through his hard work. He had a son named Kiran. Kiran never liked studies, especially maths.
I hate going to school so much. I hate studying, and then there is this maths. It's such a headache. I wish I don't have to study anymore. It's so boring.
Kiran deliberately does bad on his exams to avoid future troubles. He shows his report card to his father on the day of results.
Dad, here is my report card. Please sign it for me. Kiran, what's wrong with the academics? Why did you score so less? Dad, I hate studies. I'm not interested in them at all. I don't want to go to school anymore. Oh boy, I work so hard every day just to send you to school so that you'll study hard and one day make your papa proud of you. You disappointed me, my son. Huh. Okay, forget about this. From tomorrow onwards, you will start working in the field with me every day.
Kiran is very happy with his father's choice as he thought he doesn't have to bother going to school anymore. After few days, Kiran was working on the farm. Kiran was working on the farm when his friend Jay Surya spots him and approaches him.
Kiran, what happened to you? Why are you not coming to the school from the past few days? And why are you working here instead of studying? Oh, Surya, you know how much I hate studies, my friend. And look, I'm happy working in the fields. I don't have to study anymore. Have you gone insane, Kiran? What are you talking about? Your father works so hard every day just so you can come to the school and study. He had such high hopes on you. I'm very disappointed with your behavior. I know you are talking to me so that you don't have to go through tiring school life alone. I don't like it, means I don't want to like it. Don't try to convince me with your cunning lies. Oof. Do whatever you want to do. I won't stop you, but don't come crying to me in the future. Yeah, I get it. Now stop nagging me. Alright. Have fun farming. I'll see you later, my boy. Okay, bye.
Later, Kiran and his father will continue working on the fields for few more years. And they hit quite a bit of profits on their journey. But later, his father falls ill and on his last days whispers to him,
My dear son, here, take my land and look after it well. Remember, you have to do well on this field if you want to survive in the long run. Okay, Dad, I promise.
after few more years. Due to harsh weather and floods, his farm damages badly and he meets misfortune due to losses. He is thinking to meet a money lender and then meets one soon.
Sir, I want to take a loan of rupees 2 lakhs for a time period of 3 years. Okay, you can take a loan of 2 lakhs rupees amount, but remember to pay it in 3 years along with interest of 10% per year. Please sign this agreement.
Kiran keeps on getting losses and he spends all the money he loaned in vain.
Please give me a year of time to pay back the loan amount. And as I cannot pay you back at this moment. Okay, don't forget to pay loan back with interest. Since I am giving you an extra year of time, here, sign a loan agreement and make sure you pay back loan with interest.
After a year,
My hard work helped me earn a fortune. Now I can pay my loan back along with the required interest.
Kiran visits the money lender.
Here's the money I needed to pay back with interest, sir. Arey Kiran, why did you pay me so less? I gave you rupees 2 lakhs much amount with interest and you needed to pay me back 2,92,820 rupees much. Arey Sahib, I paid the right amount I needed to pay. What are you talking about? Here, you sign this document yourself. This states the amount of money you need to pay me back.
Kiran and money lender have a dispute over this issue and they decide to consult Sarpanch of the village. Kiran explains what happened to the Sarpanch.
Kiran, you signed this document, so you have to pay him back the required amount he demands you. This isn't his mistake, but yours. You should have checked it well before signing it. You have to pay him.
Kiran, after reaching home, gets into a dilemma over the matter.
They are trying to fool me. I will be in big loss if I have to pay that much. How will I manage to earn so much in less time and pay him back?
When Kiran is lost in a deep thought, his friend Jay Surya greets him on his main door.
Hey Kiran, what happened to you? Why do you look so lost and nervous? Surya, help me, my friend. What happened? What's with the long face?
Kiran explains the whole story in detail to Surya.
They are deceiving me. I'm sure I only had to pay rupees 80 lakh rupees, much including interest. Oh boy, Kiran, you don't know even this? What you try to pay is simple interest, but they are expecting you in compound interest. They are trying to force you to pay more money. What is the difference between simple interest and compound interest? Let me explain.
There are two types of interest, simple interest and compound interest. First, let us understand what is simple interest. By the name itself, it means that this interest is pretty simple and straightforward. What you have to do is, you have to multiply the principal amount by the interest rate and with the number of years that you have taken the loan for. As you took rupees 2 lakh, if it is simple interest, you need to pay rupees 2 lakh 80,000. Now let us try to understand what is compound interest. The meaning of the word compound is something that is composed of two or more elements. If you see, simple interest was calculated on the principal amount only. But in compound interest, interest is not just calculated on the principal amount but also on the interest rates. So the two elements here are the principal amount and the interest rates. As you took rupees 2 lakh, as per compound interest, you have to pay rupees 2 lakh 92,820. Now if you see this, simple interest and compound interest, clearly you will find compound interest to be higher than simple interest. Why? Because compound interest is calculated both on the principal as well as the accumulated interest rates. Just remember, compound means two elements. This situation arises because of your carelessness towards mathematics. Now you have to pay nearly 13,000 more rupees.
Sir, can you set the tripod, sir? I'll put it there. No, I'll put it there.
If you want tripod, I'll give, but don't put it here.
No, I'll hold it, put it.
Vedic math is a collection of methods or sutras to solve numerical computations quickly. It consists of 16 sutras called formulae and 30 sub-sutras called sub-formulae,
No, this
which can be applied to solving problems of arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculus, conics, etc. Jagat Guru Sri Bharati Krishna Thirdaji is the father of Vedic mathematics. He revived it from the Atharvana Veda.
He published his work in a book called Vedic Mathematics in 1965. The students of our school have prepared themselves to make calculations without using pen and paper in just 30 seconds. I would now like to call upon Naishat, Varshini and Karthik onto the dais for showcasing their talent.
The first model is finding product of two two-digit numbers. So students are going to ask the question, they are giving the reply within 30 seconds. Are you ready?
85 into 65.
5525.
Yes, ma'am, the answer is correct. 85 into 32.
2720.
73 into 64.
4672.
69 into 68.
4792.
96 into 74.
7244.
'Next model is squaring of given number. So you should ask the numbers from 970 to 1030. Should ask questions from numbers from 970 to 1030. They will square and say the answer.
1024.
1048576.
I request teachers also can give the numbers from 970 to 1030. So they will square and say the number answer. From 970 to 1030. Between these you can give any number.
1022 121.
1002.
1004 004.
980.
960 400.
1012.
1024 144.
985.
960 225.
1029.
Wrong answer. 970.
7097.
Right. Next.
1029.
1058 841.
Right answer. Next one.
Square root of any 4-digit perfect square. Square root of any 4-digit perfect square.
64.
Right answer. 6084.
6241. 6241.
79.
6561.
81.
4761.
69.
1849.
43.
So next model is multiplication of two numbers. One of the numbers are nines. Multiplication with nines.
720 into 9999.
719. 9. 2. 8.
812 into 99999.
811. 99188.
518 into 9999.
People, let's encourage them by giving them a big round of applause. Please.
517. 9482.
520 into 999.
519. 480.
7150 into 9999.
7149. 2850.
Next model is difference of two square numbers. Here sum of the two numbers is 99.
Two 6 7 3.
61 square minus 38 square. Minus 38 square.
2277.
81 square minus 18 square.
6237.
55 square minus 44 square.
1089.
One more last model. So give any two digits, they will square and tell the answer.
87 square. 87 square.
7569. 409. 6724.
Thank you, children. And thank you.
Wow, that was indeed mesmerizing. And I request you all to again give a big round of applause to the students who have showcased their talent.
I'd now like to invite Chiranjeevi sir to make a brief address.
And now, to keep the festivities continuing, the students of grade 3 have prepared to present you all with a song. Now, let us please invite them onto the dais with a big round of applause.
So what happened?
She went to drink water. Sorry, ma'am.
It's recording.
Okay, okay. You may record you.
Now that was one amazing performance. Let us all give them a big round of applause once again.
Now, I'd like to invite Chiranjeevi sir to make a brief address.
Mahaganathapate Namah.
Every day, every time, one must be there after you to make you calm. Is that right? Sadhan? So first of all, I would like to tell you, Happy National Math Day to all of you, to the students as well as to the teachers. I thank all the teachers for patience listening, watching this program. Thank you very much. I don't take much time, just 1 minute time, by saying a sloka from Vedanga Jyotisha. Vedanga Jyotisha is a book of astrology, means it is together math and science. It says that Yadha Sikha Mayuranam Naganam Manayo Yadha Tad Vedanga Shastranam Ganita Murdhani Sthitam. That means Yadha Shikha Mayuranam, like what we call it as Turai, it is called as, it is on the top of the on the head of that one peacock. With that, the peacock looks beautiful and nice. And Naganam Manayo Yadha, it's like a diamond on the top of a snake, which gives what we call the beauty to the snake, as well as with that money, the snake look like a, I'm not getting exact word in English, okay, leave it. In the same way, of all the subjects, mathematics is like a money. It's like a money. Means, mathematics is having its applications in almost all subjects. So leaving mathematics and want to study the other subjects is not possible. That is what you have to keep in mind. You cannot leave mathematics. Some of you think that after 10th standard we can leave mathematics and go ahead with the answers. So that is not possible. That is what you have to understand. So mathematics is having its applications in almost all subjects. Why almost all? In all subjects. It is having its applications. So love mathematics, do hard work and get knowledge in mathematics so that you can lead a beautiful life. Dhanyavad. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for those inspiring words. And now, to tie up the whole event together, I call upon Tejal for the vote of thanks.
A pleasant morning to everyone present here. I extend my sincere thanks to everyone who contributed to the success of our Math Day celebration. A special appreciation to our dedicated teachers, enthusiastic students, and supportive school management for making this day possible. Your participation and commitment to embracing the world of mathematics are truly commendable. Let's continue to foster a love for numbers and learning in our school community. Thank you for making Math Day a memorable occasion. Here's to many more math-filled adventures ahead. Thank you.
Chiranjeev sir.
Thank
Sir.
you. Birthdays are a very special day that comes once in every year. Now, I call upon the students who are celebrating their birthdays on the rise and for everybody to wish them a very happy birthday.
Thank you.